Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be discussing the Precision Mathews PM-940M-PDF model of the mill. It's a pretty nice machine. This isn't a video to show you how to mill, but I'll just go over the basic controls of the machine and how I have it set up in my shop. This is the control panel, and you can position it anywhere you want. So make it comfortable or bring it to your work. The controls are fairly basic. Turn the power on. You have a stop switch. You have to reset the power every time. You can hit the emergency stop. This one requires a twist to reset it. Get it going again. The up and down controls the head going up and down. There's these limit switches right here. So if we want to up, this little motor up here, powering the head up, you can see it going. And of course down means down. It's a little slow, but it's much better than cranking it. There is a means right there of hand cranking the head up and down, and it comes with a handle to do so. This model is a geared head, and you have a low-high shifter along with another speed range selector, 1, 2, and 3. 3 can be selected twice, and there's your speeds, so 90 through 1970. Up here is your drawbar. This has a DRO on the front for your Quill, and I have a keyless drill chuck mounted right now so we can see everything. I have a little LED work light to put on to light up my work. That's not part of the mill, but it makes a fairly large difference. Over here is the selector to turn the power down feed on and off. This is the oil level sight gauge, and then down here this is your feed, how much you want to feed per revolution of the quill, or the spindle I should say. So let's turn it on and let's check it out. Let's see, I got a 4-inch vise on it, and last I should have mentioned the power cross feed. That's extremely handy to have. But let's turn it on and try it out. So let's go forward. And over here, you have a manual. You can drop the quill down manually, or if we turn it off, come over here and engage our power down feed. Notice it says do not turn the knob clockwise, so we're going to turn it counterclockwise. Well, okay. Sometimes you have to manipulate the spindle a little bit to get it to turn. There it goes. Okay, now we're on, and we have 26 260 thousandths per revolution selected. So we'll turn this back on. We'll go to forward. Notice our manual handle is rotating. To engage the power down feed, you literally just grab the handle and pull it out. And now the quill is dropping. To stop it, just grab the handle, and you can turn it back up. It's that easy. If you want to lock out the power down feed, you just screw this handle in, and now you can't move this. This here adjusts your wheel, and you can lock it, you can pull it, unlock it, and change your scale, whatever you want. Lock it back down. And all the handles, the locking handles, are spring-loaded. You can put them where you want them. Like here, the head, you can tighten these, and then move the handle to where you want it. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this off again. We hit stop. Notice it kills the power, and then start it back up again, and of course it's not going to run. The power cross feed it's pretty nice. It's turned on right now, and then we have to select the direction you want to go. Let's say I want to go to the right, push it that way, and then I just start turning the knob up. You see the handle. You just select the speed you want, and you can see the table moving. Okay, let's put it neutral, and then come back the other way. And if you want to move the table quickly, it turns it off. You can adjust the limit switches here. That actually hits the limit switch right there underneath the table. So you can stop the table where you want it automatically. And we have locks all over the place on all the axes. There's the two for front to back. This is left to right. And of course, on the side, that's your up and down. If you loosen the two bolts here, you can tilt the head left and right. You cannot, there is no nod adjustment. In other words, you can't have the head tilt this way or this way on this model. The controls are in the back in that cabinet. You don't want to put it clearly up against the wall all the way. I chose to put it pretty close, but you can still get in there, do what you need to do. And this lock right here, this adjusts or locks the quill. So I leave it in the unlocked position. And then I put some adjustable, homemade adjustable carriage bolts to level the mill out. I just glued a rubber washer onto a standard washer, and the bolt head pivots nicely within that hole and keeps the machine level. Pretty nice. Matt over at Quality Machine Tool is the guy I got this from. He was very good to deal with and has excellent customer service. I highly recommend him. Hope you all enjoyed this, and good luck with your PDF model.